We all pick stones, branches, flowers as we enjoy our walks, or at least I think we do. I have always done that. I have picked a fluttering leaf, or a rock which rolled under my feet, or a loner seed that is smiling back at me. I bring them home and admire them. This is how I always have a collection of these beautiful encounters. My name is Ina. I live in Bangalore, India. I am an artist. During the pandemic, when we were under lockdown and I, like everybody else, was working from home, I felt uneasy with the whole situation. Not really with COVID, but with the why and how we got to COVID. Our greed and disrespect towards the environment were the only way I could comprehend as to how we have reached this point. With the pandemic also came various other struggles of a common man, the daily workers, migrant laborers, housewives, elderly, and children. While I washed and mentally wrung my hands, reality was that there really was not much I could do for all these problems we were facing as a community, society, nation, and globally. To preserve my sanity, and of course, suddenly we had time on our side, I started going for longer walks. I enjoyed this solitude time. As I walked, I picked beautiful, discarded, abandoned, come alive artifacts. My collection started growing exponentially. Now this surrounded me even more, even at home. With no one coming over to visit, these objects became my guest and continued to stay with me all over the house. They became my muse, and my instinctive act was to get to know them better. We were, after all, sharing the space. I started spending a few hours each day with them, looking at them, drawing them. This definitely was not the normal amount of a pick-me-up collection, nor was it normal for me to draw and spend this much time with them. I appreciated them, and now it was a daily ritual to meet and interact. More walks, longer walks, slower walks, more collection, more interaction, more appreciation for small gifts and wonders in our life. Every object I picked was dead and yet alive. This work is my longing to be with nature, to respect it, commune with it, and keep it close to me. Maybe this act of looking deeply, searching, being alive, and reconnecting and appreciating nature and its small gifts is my pandemic impulse, which I hope stays with me.